I am Bakriti. First of all, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the whole team of Brain Behavior Research Foundation of India, Ma'am Dr. Meena Mishra, Ma'am Priyanka and Sir Subodh for having taught us well throughout our 1 month internship. They are people who are well experienced and well versed in the subjects. I feel glad that I have gained knowledge and understanding of psychology. I got to learn many new things which are new for me. I also like to extend my gratitude to our guest lecturers who have contributed a lot to my learning. I am pleased to be part of this organization. I will forever be grateful for your guidance, patience, and kindness throughout the classes. I've also enjoyed my time with my batchmates working together during role play. It's been great working together, learning from each other, and growing together. I believe the greatest value of this internship is that it provides a unique and exciting experience. I have completed my master's in counseling psychology successfully, and presently I work as a college counselor. Thank you.